Let us see project updating a spreadsheet. Here is a spreadsheet which displays the product worksheet. There are products and cost per pound, and then pounds sold, then total. Okay, the cell A, column A contains product names, column B contains cost per pound, column C contains pounds sold, column D contains cost into pounds sold multiplication, that is total value of each product. Now this is a spreadsheet. You have to download this spreadsheet and update the content of the spreadsheet. Okay, now, to update the content of the spreadsheet, we need to do following. It should loops, our code should loop over all the rows, and if the row is for garlic, celery or lemons, it should change its price. Okay, garlic, celery and lemons price need to be changed, cost need to be changed. To do that, first we need to open the spreadsheet, and for each row we have to check whether the value in column A is celery, garlic or lemon. If it is, then update the price in column B. Then save the spreadsheet to a new file. The data structure with the update information is given here. Step 1 is to set up data structure with the update information. This is the product name, this price, product name garlic, price, product name lemon, price. Now our code should look like this. If a product name is celery, then the cell object, that's price should be 1.19. If product name is garlic, then price should be 3.07. If product name is lemon, then price should be 1.27. Okay, to do this, first we need to import OpenPy Excel. Now load the workbook produce sales.xlsx and store the reference to WB. Okay, now WB contains reference to workbook produce sales.xlsx. Now get the particular sheet that you want to work. WB.getSheet by name, the sheet name is sheet and reference is stored to sheet. Now the data structure dictionary is price updates with the product name price, product name price, product name price. This is the data structure that we need to update to the Excel sheet. Now first we have to check all the rows and update incorrect price. Here for row num in range 2 to sheet dot get highest row indicates row number ranges from 2 to highest row. Okay, product name equal to sheet dot cell row equal to row num, that is row number 2, column equal to 1, dot value is stored to product name. Okay, because you know in the second row and A column, that's A2 dot value. A2 dot value is product name. If product name is in the price updates, means if product name is available in the dictionary, if the product name is any one of these, then you have to update the price. Updation of the price should be through dictionary. Now you are taking the content of dictionary of key product name. The price will be updated to the particular cell, that is second row, column 2 dot value, that is price value. Price value is available in the column B and row number 2. B2 dot value, B2 dot value changes to particular price which is given in the dictionary. Like that, for each row from 2 to highest row, if that particular product is available in the dictionary, then that price should be stored to that particular product's price. Means price should be updated. Price should be updated to the price cell of that particular product. Okay, this happens in all the rows by using this spreadsheet. By using this spreadsheet. Here the A column contains product, B column contains cost per pound. Okay, the B column is going to be updated if the product is found in the dictionary. This is done by step 2. And next, wb.save updated product sales.xlx. It saves the updated sheet. Okay, means writes the updated workbook to updated produce sales.xlsx. Thus, updation of Excel sheet project works. After updation, the file will be saved. Here you can see in the loop, it is iterating through all the rows starting from row number 2 till highest row of the worksheet. Means wherever data is there in the last row, through all those rows it iterates. And product name will be extracted from column A, that is column 1, and from each row. If that product is available in the dictionary, means if that product name is available in the price updates dictionary, then that price will be replaced in the place of old price. Like this program works.